Toyota Hilux. Conversion. Your vehicle is fitted with an EcoN driver feedback system, which monitors driving behaviors to help with the fuel economy and eco-efficiency of your journey. The following behaviors are monitored: harsh acceleration, harsh braking, harsh cornering, excessive engine revving, excessive speeding, and excessive idling. When the key is turned in the ignition, 5 amber LEDs on the driver feedback display will flash and a buzzer will be heard, prompting you to identify yourself by presenting the driver ID key to the receiver. When the driver ID key has been accepted, the amber LEDs will stop flashing. Your driving behavior is constantly monitored throughout your journey to produce a driver score based on the number of violations per kilometer of driving. You have the opportunity to affect this score by changing your driving behavior. Full details are given in the manual, which is located in the glove box. The vehicle is limited to 68 miles per hour. When towing a trailer, the rear parking sensors can be disabled by pressing the right-hand switch on the center console behind the gear stick. The vehicle has TomTom satellite navigation. Full instructions are in the glove box. The rear view camera is for reversing only and is activated when reverse gear is engaged. The display can also be selected manually. The near side view camera activates when indicating left to cover the blind spot area for vulnerable road users such as cyclists. The forward-facing camera is for recording purposes only. Mobile phones should not be used once a journey has begun. Phones should be placed out of view and reach of the driver. For information on how to Bluetooth pair your mobile phone with the audio system, please refer to the manual in the glove box. The first aid kit and fire extinguisher are located behind the driver's seat. The inverter on-off switch is located behind the passenger seat. The unit must be switched off after use. An instruction manual is contained in the glove box. There is an RCD with test button on the front of the unit. The user should carry out a manual RCD test every month by pressing the test button. There is a double 240-volt socket located in the near side load area and a single socket in the central storage compartment behind the seats. Ensure electrical items are unplugged when not in use. The vehicle has 2 12-volt socket and USB power point units. One is located to the left of the gear stick and one in the near side load compartment. These are permanently live. The vehicle is fitted with an Eberspacher night heater. The control unit, located behind the passenger seat, allows you to control the heater in the rear. The thermostat is located in the front near-side storage compartment. The control unit has 4 buttons and an LCD display. Button 1 turns the heater on and off. Button 2 puts the heater into ventilation mode. Buttons 3 and 4 adjust the temperature accordingly. To turn the heater on, press button 1. On will briefly appear on the display, and the heater will commence its startup cycle. In addition, the green LED heater on indication will illuminate, and the display will now revert to show ambient temperature in degrees Celsius. The heater may be switched off at any time by pressing button 1. The heater cooling down cycle of 3 minutes will then be initiated. If an isolator is fitted, wait for the blower fan to stop before isolating batteries. Pressing buttons 3 or 4 will adjust the temperature accordingly, with the desired temperature shown on the display. The level may be adjusted at any time and will remain in the modulator memory when the heater is not in operation. When buttons 3 or 4 are released, the display will revert back to show ambient temperature. Always switch off the heater when the fuel tank is being filled. Never operate the heater in confined spaces, such as garages. The maintenance flap must not be opened during operation. To activate ventilation mode, press and hold button 2 until the blue LED illuminates and the display shows active rotating 2 digits. This mode is only operable when the heater is off. Full details are given in the manual, which is located in the glove box. There is a bank of 4 switches mounted at the bottom of the central console in front of the gear stick. Switch 1 operates the rear LED work spotlights. Switch 2 operates the amber hazard warning beacons. The vehicle has 2 flashing beacons on the near side and 2 on the off side. Switch 3 operates the load area interior lights. Switch 4 operates the rear scene lights. The cab light is operated by a switch on the side of the light. The load area has been fitted out with robust and efficient storage areas for work items. Shelf load stickers are located on the shelves. Do not exceed these limits, as vehicle stability could be compromised. The vehicle is fitted with a heated hand wash facility, comprising sink with hot water reservoir. Check the level and top up with fresh water as needed. The water is automatically heated when the engine is running. The unit must be drained weekly and flushed with fresh water to prevent bacteria buildup. Your vehicle is fitted with a ladder rack and rear roller and a lockable Vanguard storage pod. Your vehicle may be fitted with a winch at the front of the vehicle. Unhook the cover to access the winch. The winch isolation switch is located on the center console. Only trained and qualified personnel should operate the winch. Operating instructions are located in the glove box. In the glove box, you'll find the owner's manual, manuals for any ancillary equipment installed, a vehicle defect reporting pad, and a Scottish Power driver handbook.